Hi guys, welcome to our linkage software tutorial 1. I'm Elanur Karabulut. In the scope of machine theory course, we will learn that how we can draw the mechanisms and check their motions in the linkage software. So as an example for this video, we will try to draw these mechanisms. It's figure 2 to 15, which is taken from our textbooks. So firstly, let's check the desired motion for these mechanisms. And here, this is the motion at the end of the video we will get in the linkage software. So before recording this video, I tried to draw in the linkage software. So let me show it what I got. It's working, as you can see here. So firstly, I will show you the dimensions, these mechanisms, which I draw in here. Then we will try to draw it together. So let me show the dimensions for you guys. Dimension, and in here, when I click the auto dimension, it shows the all dimensions in here. So let's draw it together according to these dimensions. So I'm opening a new page. So for the first one, firstly, I'm starting to set a rotating anchor in here. So let's make it a rotating anchor. Right click, rotating anchor. We can change the RPM value in here. Let's say 10. Okay. Then I need 3 more links. 3. Let me connect it. So firstly, to be able to join this point B and E, I'm selecting B, then A with my shift button on my keyboard, then fixing. Okay. Another link will be joined from the A point in here. Then the last link will be like this. So, okay, let's check the motion again. As you can see in here, I have a sliding point. But how can I do? So firstly, I'm choosing the key point, then the sliding link point, C and A. Then the slide option appear in here, and I'm choosing. So to be able to get this motion, the C point has to be also rotating anchor. So I'm setting as a rotating anchor, but it has to be same RPM value with the rotating anchor A. So that's why changing into 10 RPM in here. Okay, for example, let's say you are trying to draw at home and I already show you the dimensions. So how we can use these dimensions when we are drawing? So in here, firstly, I choose this link. So in here, let's make it millimeter. So what is the dimension for it? 9 points. Okay, let's set it. Then for G and A, I'm choosing G and A link in here. Okay, it's 24 points, 1938. Okay. Now, how about the A and C? So let's set it again. 44 points, 2, Yeah, it's okay. So I draw it according to previous example. Let's check the dimensions again in here. Now, try to draw it again. The second mechanisms. So I'm starting with the rotating anchor in here. So to be able to draw more easily, I'm just closing the auto dimension. So I need another anchor in here, but it's fixed to the ground. So I need two more link. No, one is also enough, I guess. Yeah. So firstly, I'm joining the H and B point in here. Then join C and F here. And this I point will be sliding through the link 1. So how can I convert into sliding point? First, I'm choosing the I point, then the sliding link D and H, and slide option appears in here. I'm choosing it. So, okay, how you can set the dimensions according to my example. Again, I'm clicking this button, this link, then setting the dimension. Also, you can check the other dimensions to discover a proper one. So, but to be able to draw at home, I'm just sharing the my dimensions with you guys. Then I'm setting this link and this one. Okay. So let's run it. Let's check the motion. Is that correct? Yes. So this anchor fixed to the ground, this is the rotating anchor here. So let's take it to here. Then we will draw the last one. So again, I'm starting with the rotating anchor here. Then I need two more links. Okay. Let's join the point and B point, M point and J point. So it seems like this, as you can see here. So P point sliding through the link 8. So to be able to make a sliding point, I'm selecting the sliding link points and 1 point. So to be able to get these motion, the sliding point has to be fixed to the ground. So how can I do this? After the setting as a sliding point, I'm right clicking and setting as an anchor. Now it's fixed to the ground. So let's set the dimensions together. So for the link 8, setting 44 points. Okay. So for the link 7, I'm setting as a 12 points. Yeah. Then B and P link 9 here. 12 points. 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 12 So it's 19.9551. Okay, so let's run it. It's working. So again, let me show it all dimensions to you. You can set these dimensions from the dimension part in the millimeter units. So this is the end of the first tutorial. So thanks for watching.